if you don't mind. Hey.
So they back down.
She brought us. We're distracted.
Oh, they're so cute, aren't they? Okay.
Does that one have a white on it? Some of them got a little
Some
white
of them
patch
have
right
a
on
little-
the chest.
Oh,
Yeah, they have a little white. Some of them.
sweet.
This one doesn't. But some of them have.
That's the
little,
only difference in right now.
How
It's
many?
like,
5 males, 3
and
females.
3 females. Yeah.
Well,
wanna see them, Mom?
what? Well, hold on.
Just go
Hold on,
slow.
hold on.
And don't try to touch her.
When they take the dog back in there, well,
Yeah.
We'll bring her out.
She's
Get her
really
settled back
sweet.
down.
She's a very
Yeah,
sweet
she's just
dog. Yeah.
she's being a mama.
Yes,
She's a good
yes.
mama.
She's being a good mom.
Smile, mate. David, move your hand real quick. Oh, whatever his name is. You bring her out and get her distracted. They come in and look at the rest of them.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
They're all super.
yeah, that one looks small.
Yeah. But it's still like, barely. I'm trying to find one walker.
Oh, here's
See, like,
white.
yeah, there's little. This one has the
Like,
most
this one has
white.
white on it.
Yeah. And you're a little dirty.
What one is this?
You're super sold. You can come in here.
Go on in there, Ruby.
Sorry,
She
shit,
kind
I'm
of
not
wants
sure
it.
what happened.
See one?
There's 2 in there. 2 people in there. We gotta get them.
This one is.
This one's chunky. They also already have the
Look
like
at the
itchy.
white. Oh.
This one has more white. This one.
How sweet.
They also, if you scratch them right here, they automatically have that itchy,
Oh yeah.
itchy reflex. That's not your mama.
Mhm.
You can come in here, David and Ella.
Mac, will you step back real quick?
Be gentle.
Yep, just pat, okay?
Where's the mom?
The mama's
outside.
outside. Ooh, that one's got a lot of white on it too. Hello, cutie patootie. Wish I could hold one. You can hold one if you want. Here,
Just let Elizabeth help you, okay?
Okay.
You want to sit down all the way? Keep it close to your body. And then you can kind of put your arm
What
under.
if you would hold Thumper?
Yeah.
Yeah. Smile, Dave.
Do you want to hold one, Ella? Oh, I know. Oh! You've got some sass. I'm going to put you back down.
It's feisty.
It's probably him.
There you go, baby.
Put your hand over there. Good job.
Smile, Ella.
Jobster.
Yeah.
What you think? You like them?
You like puppies? Yeah.
Not today.
I know.
We're gonna. The mama's gonna keep feeding them so they get bigger and bigger, and then you'll
I'm
have a
telling you, we
happy
need to
puppy.
get that one. That one's already on the move.
That one's feisty.
I'm telling you.
Not the feisty and the Belgian Malamute. That's not going so good.
It's 1 years old. And I'm
No,
like,
14 days old.
But they'll have-
Their eyes aren't fully developed when they're born because
Oh, bro.
he's a puppy.
It's not like a kitty.
That one's got his tongue sticking out.
this guy's chill.
He's so yeah. It's so cute. They'll fall asleep on her paw, and it's just like, I'm like,
All they do is milk and sleep and
Mom eats it.
I was about to say, I don't see it.
No.
she cleans it up
Mhm.
fast, like anything. She's like, I'm like, okay.
Keep it clean.
Hello?
I love. They're so fat. I know.
Just little chunkies.
Cute and chubby.
This guy's chill.
Yeah. I think Mom might be ready to come back in. Let's put him down, David. Thank you. Good job being so Alright, Ellen, gentle come on. with the baby.
Oh, she already put it down.
And then my
Okay.
son.
Thank you, Elizabeth.
You're welcome.
Puppies.
Here's the mama.
Stop wagging your tail. At least she's wagging her tail. She wasn't wagging her tail for like a day or so.
You're eating. Don't.
Don't chew with your mouth open here.
What are you in?
He likes his.
Mm.
But yeah, I get
Hey, partner. How are you doing?
Really mad.
Are you doing okay? Yeah. Yeah. What's up, big dog? Yeah.
Where'd she go?
I don't know. She probably